Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best portable air conditioners that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of hot, suffocating rooms during summer with no proper cooling system? Electricity bills too high for AC? Fans just blowing hot air around? What if you could get a portable cooling solution that actually adds moisture plus cool air at the same time? Today we're checking out the JRD Portable Air Conditioner / Evaporative Air Cooler, FKT007R, a compact swamp cooler designed for bedroom, office, or small spaces. This unit comes with several useful features. 2.4-gallon water tank for long cooling sessions. Includes 4 ice packs for extra cooling boost. 4 operating modes plus 3 fan speeds for customization. Built-in mist humidifier function for better air comfort. 12-hour timer for automatic shut-off convenience. Comes with a remote control for easy operation. Portable design, easy to move between rooms. Energy efficient compared to traditional AC units. Pros: low power consumption. Portable and lightweight design. Adds humidity, great for dry heat. Easy controls with remote plus timer. Cons: not a true AC, works best in dry climates. Cooling is limited in very large rooms. Needs regular water / ice refilling. This is perfect for small bedrooms or study rooms. Office desk cooling. Garage or personal workspace. Users who want budget-friendly cooling without high electricity bills. Not ideal for large halls. Extremely humid environments. At around $129.99, this JRD Swamp Cooler offers solid value for personal cooling needs, especially if you want a cheaper alternative to an air conditioner. Number 4. This is the Verminget 2026 upgraded Windowless Portable Evaporative Air Cooler, a high-capacity swamp cooler designed for large room comfort without installing an AC. Here's what makes it stand out. Massive 10-gallon detachable water tank for long cooling sessions. Powerful 2500 CFM airflow for wide area cooling. 120 degrees oscillation to spread air across the room evenly. Ultra-quiet operation for bedroom or night use. Built-in timer function for auto shut-off control. Remote control plus digital display for easy operation. 3 wind modes plus adjustable speed settings. Portable freestanding design for multiple rooms. Designed for up to 30 hours of cooling time, depending on usage. Pros: very large water tank equals less frequent refilling. Strong airflow suitable for bigger spaces. Quiet performance for night use. Good oscillation coverage. Cons: still not a true compressor air conditioner. Performance depends on humidity levels. Bulkier than small portable coolers. This is ideal for medium to large bedrooms. Apartments without AC installation options. Garages or workshops. Users needing long runtime cooling with less maintenance. Not ideal for extremely humid climates. People expecting full AC level cooling. At around $189, this model offers strong value for a large capacity evaporative cooler, especially if you want long runtime and wide airflow without high electricity costs. Number 3. This is the BIGoose 4-in-1 Windowless Portable Air Conditioner, a multifunction evaporative swamp cooler designed for home, office, and garage cooling. Let's break down the key features. 3.2-gallon dual water tank for up to 24 hours of cooling. Strong 1700 CFM airflow for room-wide comfort. 90 degrees oscillation to spread cool air evenly. 4 wind modes plus 4 speed settings: normal, natural, sleep, cooling. Remote control plus touch panel for easy operation. 12-hour timer with auto shut-off. Waterless alert system for safety and convenience. 4 wheels plus built-in handle for easy mobility. Ultra-quiet operation for bedroom use. Includes ice pack support for stronger cooling effect. Pros: Long 24-hour runtime with dual tank. Easy to move with wheels and handle. Good safety features, water alert plus timer. Multiple modes for different needs. Cons. Cooling power lower than real air conditioners. Best performance in dry environments. Airflow, 1700 CFM, weaker than larger swamp coolers. Perfect for bedrooms and small apartments, office or study rooms, garages and personal workspaces. Users wanting long runtime with low power usage. Not ideal for large halls, very hot and humid climates. Users expecting full AC level cooling. At around $199.99, this BIGoose model offers solid value for a feature-packed portable swamp cooler, especially if you want long cooling time plus safety features plus mobility in one unit. Number 2. This is the Amazon Basics 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, 10,000 BTU, a compact full AC unit designed to cool bedrooms up to 450 square feet. Here's what it offers. 10,000 BTU OSHRI, 6,000 SCC, cooling power for real AC performance. 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifier, and fan mode. Auto swing louvers for better air distribution. Remote control plus digital display for easy use. Sleep mode for quiet nighttime comfort. Timer function for automatic on-off scheduling. Auto mode adjusts cooling based on room temperature. Uses are 32 refrigerant for efficient cooling. Designed for rooms up to 450 square feet. Pros. True air conditioner, not evaporative cooling. Strong cooling for bedrooms and medium rooms. Dehumidifier helps in humid weather. Easy controls with remote plus display. Cons. Requires window exhaust setup. Slightly noisy compared to split AC. Less efficient than inverter split air conditioners. Best for bedrooms and small apartments. Users needing real AC cooling without installation. Renters who can't install split AC. Medium-sized rooms up to 450 square feet. Not ideal for very large halls. Users wanting ultra-quiet premium cooling. At around $359.99, this Amazon Basics portable AC is a budget-friendly real air conditioner offering strong cooling performance at a lower price than most traditional AC setups. Number 1. This is the GarveeLife 8000 BTU portable air conditioner, a compact smart AC unit designed for rooms up to 350 square feet. Here's what it offers. 8000 BTU cooling power for small to medium rooms. 3-in-1 function, cooling, dehumidifier, and fan mode. Remote control included for easy operation. Comes with a window installation kit for hot air exhaust. Runs at about 53 dB noise level, moderate quietness. Designed for rooms up to 350 square foot coverage. Compact portable design for apartments and bedrooms. Built-in dehumidifier helps reduce humidity indoors. Pros. Affordable Real air conditioner option. Good for small bedrooms and apartments. Includes window kit for proper cooling setup. Multifunction, cooling plus fan plus dehumidifier. Cons. Not ideal for large rooms. 53 dB noise can be noticeable at night. Basic design compared to premium brands. Perfect for small bedrooms. Renters and apartment users. Budget buyers needing real AC cooling. Rooms up to 350 square feet. Not ideal for large living rooms. Users wanting ultra-quiet premium cooling. At around $179.99, this GarveeLife portable AC is a budget-friendly cooling solution offering Real compressor cooling at a very competitive price. If you want affordable cooling this summer, check the link in the description for the best deals. Like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this.